Okay, our very last step is to simply prepare the financial statements. Okay, again, we did the tribe balance first, and then there were extra outstanding items that occurred throughout the company, so therefore we needed to do an adjusted trial balance. And then finally we did a closing trial balance because we wanted to close out our temporary accounts that closed out to owner's equity, which leads us to the financial statements that we typically see when we look at a particular company. How do we prepare the financial statements? Well, we've been doing everything to let us know what numbers to put into a financial statement. For instance, we have everything here. In terms of cash, accounts receivables, equipment, and gas supply, I'm taking all this from the closing entry. The closing entry balance. And that was what, 170, 105. These are my assets. And then my liabilities and owner's equity would be the notes payable and capital. I'm taking that from over here, 1,000 and 275. And my assets and liabilities and owner's equity equal to each other. So this is my balance sheet. And if I wanted to, I could also create an income statement, which I show revenues. And I'm going to get that from my ledger, 130. I had expenses, several of them. Salary expense, gas supply expense. What salary expense was 50. Gas supply expense 5. That's going to be 50 and 5. In which income here will be the difference, which should be 75, because we closed it out to income summary, if you recall. Then we can also create statement of capital, such as beginning cap was 0 plus investments which was what, $200. Yeah, she invested cash of $200 in the business at the very beginning. And our income which was 275. I'm sorry, 75. no deductions, and thus ending capital maybe we can just do this withdrawals. Zero. So again, the very last thing that we're going to do in the accounting process is that we're going to take all the information that we did earlier from our trial balance to our adjusted trial balance to our after closing trial balance and create our balance sheet from that. And this is as of more or less, October 30th, 20. Okay. And we're also going to create our income statement and a statement of capital, all from the previous exercises that we've already completed.